Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I'm back to do the third winner of the Go Me cutting system. We'll see who gets what package because it'll go by what they, what they want. So whatever's left, I think C and D are still left. So and I did talk to Amy over at Crafty Cat, and she did want to gift that to Melody. So congratulations, Melody. And that was extremely sweet of you, Amy. Thank you so much. And I'm sure Melody is gonna just love that. I know she'll put it to good use. So if Melody does pop up, we'll pick another person just in case. So anyway, let's go ahead and move on over to the computer. Okay, so back over to the computer. We're going to pick for our third Accuquilt Go Me. Okay, and let's see. We're not going to filter anything. YouTube comments. Let's see. Who will be the next winner? Donna Matoy. Donna, I know she was saying that she was very excited about this because she really could use one because she's got, like me, she has RA in her and it's bad in her hand. So this would make an awesome gift for her, an awesome thing to have. And it looks like she wants, let's see, D as her number one. And since we have D still, D will be the one that we will ship to Donna. So Donna, I need you to reach out to me, please, by 10 o'clock. Let me move back over to, the tabletop video. Okay, so D was what she wanted, and the D is the 20 fat quarter fabric pack and the Go Me. Let me write down her name down here real quick. Make sure. So Donna, if you would, make sure that you reach out to me either through my Etsy or through my email. Okay. And so you guys have seen what the Go Me looks like. I don't want to keep tracking this thing out, but they are heavy. See, I mailed out the first one already on when I went to the store, and yeah, the thing weighed like 12 pounds, so they're heavy. But I will pull out the fabric pack that it goes with. So it's a big fabric pack here. All blues. Very, very beautiful. And I know she will be extremely excited about that. So it was, what was it? Which one? Show me in the 20. Oh, sorry, that's a lot of noise. Okay, so the Go Me and the 20 piece fat quarter, 20 different fat quarters fabric pack. So Donna, make sure that you get a hold of me, please, by 10 p.m. Central Standard Time on the 10th of December. Okay. Ugh. These things are getting heavy. So, but don't forget, we still have one more to give away and a goodie pack. So, or two, or three, or more, who knows? So to give away, I'm very, very excited. I'm having a lot of fun. And I hope you guys, and good luck to everyone, and congratulations to our winners already. So like I said, we still have one more and some more things to give away. So you still have chances to win. And we're going to put everybody back in a pot for those last ones. And until next time, good luck and plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Bye, guys.